I need to fix them wheels. So we've got our new replacement wheels out here. We got some needle nose pliers, and we got a dolly right here, and we're going to use that dolly to jack this up, put the bricks underneath of it so I can get to the wheel. So I'll have the lovely winch Lori here do the honors and lift that up. All right, go ahead, lift. Lift. Lift, lift, lift. Okay, let go. All right, just got to straighten out this cotter pin. May not be able to reuse this one when I'm done. There we go. All right, time to see if these will fit. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now to go get a new cotter pin and put that in there. All right, so I got the same size cotter pin that came out of there, and it's a little tight. I really don't want to have it be that tight. So I'm going to go with one that's just a little bit smaller and much easier to work with getting that in and out. All right, we'll do the other side and then we'll be able to wheel this up to the garage in ease.